Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Datadog Agent on AWS EC2 for metrics step by step clearly. Log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Launch Instance to create a new virtual machine. Choose your preferred Amazon Machine Image, or AMI. Select an instance type based on your requirements. Click on Next, Configure Instance Details. Under Configure Security Group, create a new security group or select an existing one. Ensure that your security group allows inbound traffic on port 8125 for StatsD metrics. Click on Review and Launch. Review your settings and click on Launch. Select an existing key pair or create a new one, then click on Launch Instances. Once your instance is running, connect to it using SSH. Use the command ssh iorkey.pem EC2 user at your instance public DNS to access the instance. Update the package repository by running sudo yum update y for Amazon Linux or sudo apt update for Ubuntu. Install the Datadog agent by executing the following command: dd_agent_major_version equals 7 dd_API_key equals your _API. Replace your _API_ key with your actual Datadog API key. Verify the installation by running sudo Datadog Agent status. Check the Datadog dashboard to confirm that metrics are being received. Configure additional integrations as needed by editing the configuration files located in /etc/datadogagent/confd/. Restart the Datadog agent to apply any new configuration changes with sudo system to restart Datadog agent. Review the logs for any errors or confirmation of the agent running smoothly with sudo tailf/var/log/datadog/agent.log. You are now set up to monitor your AWS EC2 instance metrics with Datadog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.